In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the logo width in your Shopify theme. To get started, open Chrome and sign into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head over to the online store section, then click on themes. This is where you can manage the look and feel of your storefront. On your current theme, click customize to open the theme editor. Give it a moment to load because this is the workspace where you'll make visual changes to your store and preview them in real time. Once the editor is open, look over to the left side panel. This area shows the structure of your page, including the different sections that make up your theme layout. In that design tree, find the header section and click on it. The header controls the top area of your website, which usually includes your logo, navigation, and sometimes announcement bars or icons depending on your theme. After selecting the header, move your attention to the settings panel on the right. This is the context menu where the customization options for the selected section appear. Here, look for the logo width setting. It will usually appear as a range slider, which lets you visually increase or decrease the size of your logo by adjusting its width in pixels. Now drag the slider until the logo reaches the size you want. As you move it, keep an eye on the live preview so you can see how the logo looks in the header. This is helpful because a logo that's too small may be hard to notice, while one that's too large can crowd the navigation area and affect the overall balance of the header. Try to choose a size that looks clear, professional, and well proportioned across the page. Once you're happy with the new width, click Save to apply the change. Saving is important so the updated logo size is published to your theme settings and remains in place the next time you visit the editor. That's all there is to it. By opening your theme customizer, selecting the header section, adjusting the logo width slider, and saving the change, you can quickly fine-tune how your branding appears at the top of your store. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how polished and readable your storefront looks.